This is part 2 of our tutorial on preprocessing. In the second part of this tutorial, we're going to have a look at the envelope function of the ibaInSpectra preprocessing. As you can see here on the right, we have an event that excites the signal with the eigenfrequency. We're now interested in the frequency of this event, but as you can see on the left side, we only can see the eigenfrequency in our spectrum. And when we have a look at the lower frequency, we can only see a high peak related to the first order, and we cannot detect the frequency of the event. Therefore, we can use the envelope function in the preprocessing. We simply open the I/O manager and add a new ibaInSpectra module. For this module, we can select the tutorial profile and we have to select our input signal. Now for the preprocessing, we can configure a new preprocessing profile. Therefore, we add a new profile, give it a name and select envelope as a method. As you can see, we don't have a configuration mode like simple or advanced. We only have 3 settings that have to be made. Therefore, we have to configure a bandpass around the eigenfrequency. The eigenfrequency in our case is around 100 Hz, so I will select 80 as the lower frequency and 120 as the upper frequency. As cutoff frequency, we can select 50, because we're not interested in any higher frequencies at the moment. Now we can see that for our ibaInSpectra module, this envelope profile is selected and that the settings are all OK. We now press OK and the configuration will be uploaded onto the server. I will close this trend graph and open a new FFT view to show the result of the envelope function. As you can see, we don't have the 100 Hz eigenfrequency anymore, and we can see the peak of our event in the signal at 1.5 Hz. If you compare this to a signal without envelope, you definitely cannot see this peak because it's overlaid by the other frequencies.